We'll show you how you can easily find the link in bio on Instagram. Whether you're looking for your favorite influencer's latest merch, a new blog post, or an exclusive offer, then follow my steps and watch the video until the end. We're going to open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device, and just make sure you're logged into your Instagram account. As you can see, I'm on the home page of Instagram, and if I want to find a link in bio, then I have to go to that person's profile in order to find it. So you can open their profile by scrolling through the Instagram feed. You find a post or a reel from that person, so you can just click on the username right here, and that will take us to their profile. Or if you're watching Instagram stories and you see the link in bio text over the story or somewhere on the screen, then just tap on the person's username at the top, and that will take you to their profile. So once you're on their profile, that famous link in bio is going to be right under the person's profile picture and username. It will have a little link icon that looks like this, and it will be blue in color, which means that it's clickable. So when I click on that link once, it's going to open that link in the web browser, and it's going to take you to the website, the store, the YouTube channel, or anything that the person put in their bio. And sometimes they can add multiple links to their bio, and when you click on the link, another little menu will pop up with all of the different links that the person added. I've added 2 of my YouTube channels in my bio, so if I click on this link, for example, it's going to open the App Tutor YouTube channel in the browser. And that's essentially how you can find that link in bio. See you in the next video, everyone!